Now time for our little exercise. I hope you guys are set. I'm sure you guys are set. I'm sure some of you are wondering what exercise. It's very simple, I assure you. What we want to do now is create the multiplication table program. That's all. Very simple. So you might be wondering, how does that affect you and where is the exercise there? I'm actually going to design my own multiplication table program. Okay, and I'm going to actually make use of one of the loops we have learned about in the previous tutorials. Now your assignment will be to design or develop or create your own multiplication table program using the two other loops. That's all. So without wasting much time, I would like to get started. What loop will I use? I think I'll use the do while loop. Okay, it's time to get started. So I'll say num. First of all, we're going to say 7. This num should stand for the table I'm checking for. Then I would also need a counter. Yes, I need something that will count for me. So I'll start from 1, of course. So at this point, it's time to start the loop. So what do? All I simply say is do, yeah, followed by my interesting curly bracket. Within it, I'm going to simply say echo, introduce my double quotes, and simply output num times counter, okay, is equal to, fair enough. Then I will concatenate this with the actual mathematical expression. So I'm going to say num times counter. Fair enough? I guess so. So at this point, I'm going to concatenate this with the HTML line break, and I'm going to end my statement. Fair enough. I hope I made no mistakes. I believe not. So at this point, what I need to do is say counter plus plus. Yes, because I need my counter to increase. All right, that's the action. I need the condition now. So I'll say while. Now open and close this and add my end of statement so I do not forget to add it later. So at this point, what is my condition? My condition is that counter is less than or equal to 12. All right, I want it to be 7 times 1 to 7 times 12. I believe this is fair enough. So I will just save this, come here and refresh this, and whoa, I just got 7 times 1 to 7 times 12. This is nice because I could just come here and say I want to check for table of 13, and I'll save this and refresh this, and I've got 13 times 1 to 13 times 12. How nice. Then what if I would like to increase this to 13 times 20? I'll just come here and change this to 20, save this, refresh this, and whoa, it just gave me exactly what I need. So this is my multiplication table using a do while loop. Now I guess you guys know what to do. You are going to design your own multiplication table with the for loop and the ordinary while loop. I guess that should be simple enough for you guys. I believe in you guys, and I know you can take care of that like easy peasy. At this point, we'd like to move on to our next video because we would like to move to greater heights in PHP. So please, I'm waiting for you as usual in the next video. See you then.